slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
From the neighborhood to the ocean, a journey with Avata 2. With a connection as strong as the breeze and control as sharp as instinct, Avata 2 is ready to break free, ready to push beyond limits and embrace the open skies. Threading through narrow alleys and across weathered rooftops, Avata 2 flows effortlessly, tracing unseen paths from above, capturing the rhythm of everyday life from a new perspective. Every twist, every turn taken with precision. Every hidden corner revealed in crystal clarity. Not a single beat missed, even as the world below shifts and changes. Leaving behind the noise of daily life, it soars toward the endless horizon, where the streets fade into fields and the fields dissolve into the vastness of the ocean, free, unbound by any signal interference. Crossing wide stretches of untouched land, far beyond the reach of towers and cities, Avata 2 holds steady. A true testament to resilience, where connection is never compromised. It captures life's fleeting moments, from the joyous laughter of children playing at the shore, to the gentle dance of waves kissing the sand. Each frame a story, each second a memory preserved. Above the ordinary, beyond the expected, Avata 2 reveals a world rarely seen, a world full of wonder, motion, and life. Avata 2, free, resilient, unstoppable.